recently purchased these beautiful molds, and so I would like to use them. And I'm just going to do a simple ring pour today, and I'll be using some resin pigments and Peacock Dance, aluminum, Aqua Ocean, and I'll also be using the Colorberry Liquid Matte Lips and some white Cast and Craft. And I'm also using craft resin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these small, I think they're 1 ounce cups, fill it to about here with resin, and then I will pigment each of these cups, making sure I save quite a bit of clear. So I will go ahead and do that and be right back. Okay, my colors are all mixed now, and so I'm going to pour a small amount into the bottom of each mold of just clear resin. I do want it to cover the bottom. Okay, I'm just going to tilt the mold, make sure it's covered on the bottom. Okay, and now I'm going to use my colors to circle. So I'm going to start over here with the Peacock Dance. Then I'm going to come in with the lips, and then the Cast and Craft white, and then the silver. And then I am going to torch this, and I'm going to fill the middle with clear. And I'm going to come back around here a little with the blue, pink, white, silver, and I'm going to use a little bit of this aqua. Torch again, and pull her a little more clear. I'm going to leave that one alone, and I'm going to move on to this one over here. So on this one I'm going to use the aqua first, and then the pink, and then the dark blue, and then the white, and the silver. And go in the middle with clear. Well, first I'm going to torch. And now I'll go in the middle with clear. And this is an interesting mold because it has these live edges, so I'm just going to push some of the resin into those. And then I'm going to come around the very edge with white, just because it's the only color I have left, and I want to make sure that the corner edges here are filled in. And also for both of these molds, it was 7.5 ounces. And I think I'm going to add a little crushed glass to the middle. Okay, these are all cured now, so I'm going to demold and see what we have. Alright, this is the first one I poured. Are you guys ready to see it? I hope this turned out. Oh, it turned out pretty interesting. Didn't go in as far as I would have liked, but that's my fault. I should have put more pigment around this side. But it's still very pretty, I think. Alright, and this is the second one. I can already see that it still has a huge opening in the middle, but it's fine by me. Alright, let's see how this one looks. That is gorgeous. Oh, this one I love. Love, love, love. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I love it. Look at that. I actually love the fact that it's still clear in the middle. Don't ask me how I accomplished that because I don't know, but absolutely beautiful. Wow, love it. So you could even paint the sides here if you want it with something like a chrome marker. could help highlight the outside. I'm gonna try it, see how it looks. No, that definitely wasn't the easiest mold I've ever painted, but which is why I haven't finished yet. But it just gives you an idea of what the silver could do to also highlight that. It's very pretty. And I'll do a little over here. Let's see what that looks like. This one looks like it'll be a lot easier. And see, helps to give that one a little bit more of a pop as well. Of course, it would look better if I do the whole thing, but I'm not gonna bore you all with that. I went ahead and finished painting the edges, and so now I'll bring you in for a close-up of the final look. And on that one I used chrome, and on this one I used that. And I did wind up trimming the edges. They were oddly shaped in my opinion. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.